Hi, I'm Ron Wertuno with Victor Reinz Sealing Products. Now, most people know Victor Reinz is a manufacturer of gaskets. And while that's true, I'm here today to talk about Reinzosil, Victor Reinz's brand of RTV Silicone Sealant. Victor Reinz Reinzosil is a one-tube solution in one ideal shop-sized tube that can take the place of over a dozen RTV varieties, saving inventory space and dollars and avoiding ordering hassles. Unlike competitor products, which may incorporate plasticizers of minor quality such as calcium carbonate or limestone, Reinzosil will not shrink or lose weight in high heat environments. With superior resistance under load, even at high temperatures, you don't need over a dozen different tubes of RTV on hand. You only need to stock or purchase one tube to do it all. For more information about Reinzosil and other Victor Reinz products, please visit us at victorreinz.com. Did you know test after test reveals Reinzosil as the premium choice in RTV?